What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Got another What's in the Box video for you. Today we're working with the Revell 124 scale VW T3 bus. New. Says so right on the box. So we're gonna crack this thing open and see what's inside. Pictures show that there's, and it also says there's a detailed engine. The side door opens as shown in this picture drawing. I'm not sure. It says it's got a Albert Schneider 2022. Is that Albert? Is that Albert creeping back there? Is it? Maybe that dog is Albert. Are you Albert? Where's Albert? Let's find Albert. I don't know who that is. I have not looked on scalemates. I haven't looked at all if this is a actual new kit or a repop or something else. I would assume they probably use the molds from the camper version, but I don't know what that one looks like either. So let's crack it open and see what it looks like. I'm working on limited space here because I'm working on got this other project going in this step side and razor thing, but I'll do what I can to keep it moving. Right away, the body looks really good. Looks nice and straight, not too flimsy. I've heard the other the first bus camper version one is fidgety in that it's got a couple different wall styles. Anyways, you can see that door opens. That door opens. Pretty cool. So you'll be able to get out the motor. Nice, you know, pretty decent panel lines and decent details on the vents and the lights and stuff. So let's see what else we got in here. The color manuals, the flat kit UK style. Revell Germany, I believe it is, it does that. A lot of license plates. A lot of license plates there. And, you know, seat covers and stuff. Not a whole lot of decals. I mean, you know, there's no race decals. it's not a race bus. Brap. Standard Revell book style directions. Good indications of what gets painted, what gets decals, what gets glued, what doesn't, etc. These instruction booklets are usually pretty thorough. I don't have anywhere to put stuff. I just toss it aside. Got 4 vinyl stockers. Sort of. They're not really that soft. They're pretty hard. Solid tires. Decent tread pattern. You know, it's a decent, the stock bus wheel or tire. Excuse me. I don't wanna make anybody upset using the wrong words. There's your clears. Solid one-piece front, rear, and sides. Okay, yeah, so there's one for the slider, the door, I would imagine. Yeah, one for the door, and then 2 for the other side. And that's about it. Tail lights and headlights, so clear. You can use some transparent, bring the color out on those. Interior tub it's got some texture to it. You know, it's got like rubberized floors and a little bit of details on the side door cards throughout. Other than that, not a whole lot. There's obviously an engine access. Looks like that would probably be the other side of it. And your engine. I'm really curious to see if my some of the 3D stuff that I have will work in any ways. I doubt it because it's kind of a different style of an engine, slightly. Not really that different, but we'll see. I mean, I might be able to at least put like some carburetors on it or something. But you know, it's got an engine with details. Moving on. There's the top of the bus. There's your sliding door. Like the front grill piece. What? No vents for the radiator? is somewhat decent details on the dashboard. I saw some decals in there for that, so you know, if you don't want to paint them, you can just put the stickers on. Ooh, a little bit of flash for a new kit. New. It's a 2022. Again, I did not look on scalemates. So a couple different seat options that you don't have to use them. You could leave it open. I'm thinking maybe I'm not exactly sure, but maybe I'll use some of the other van stuff I have, the Chevy van. Seat fronts and backs. There's your hubcaps, your dog dish VW style hubcaps. Rear hatch with some nice prominent details on the engine vehicle callouts, whatever words. I'm having trouble talking today. Nice detail on the other side, underside. Yeah, that'll paint up really nice. And then more, you know, those things, you know, that stuff. And that does it for the VW T3. The Chevy van that I got not too long ago has some cool interior stuff. I'm thinking might be kind of cool in this one because it's got windows you can see in there. You know, I'm not sure exactly what style to go with it, but I don't know. It looks really serious. Oh, it's all serious. Look at this guy photobombing. Hi. How about does it? Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.